How to fix YouTube is not available in this version on Android. If you're facing this problem, then the first thing you want to do is launch open Google Play Store on your device. If you're using iPhone, then you want to use App Store. Now tap on the search bar. Here you want to search YouTube. If you find an update option, go ahead and select that. Now update the application to the latest version. Once it has been updated, launch open YouTube and check if your problem is fixed. If it is still not fixed, launch open your settings, then select apps or app management. A list of all the apps will be shown over here. Find YouTube from this. Now you want to select the option of storage. Then select clear cache. Now you also want to make sure that YouTube is set as the default app. Next thing you want to do is select force stop. Now tap on OK. After doing all of this, launch open YouTube and this problem will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.